Welcome to Tulsa Food Machinery. In this video, I will present the new range of universal mincers designed to mince meat, but also other food products. Tulsa mincers are available in 6 powerful models. Available with 4 cutting systems, Enterprise system and Unger 2 system with single cutting are perfect for the elaboration of fresh ground meat. Unger 3 system and 5 system with the double and quadruple cutting are ideal for the preparation of chilled meat products that require a finer cut or texture. All mincers are robust design, all stainless steel construction. Complete mincing head made of high quality stainless steel in microfusion quality. Equipped as standard with high quality German knives and plates of special carbon steel of the highest strength and durability from Lamberg and Walter brand. Feature large capacity feed pan equipped with a CE guard to protect hands when feeding meat. Powered on and off by means of a safety switch, this prevents the machine from starting up after a power failure. External throat is easy to remove. No transmission of motor heat, best cutting result. The complete cutting set can be totally dismantled to ensure perfect cleaning. 4 anti-vibration rubber legs. Hermetically closed machine base prevents the access of water or dirt. Tulsa, market leader in the global food industry.